Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Notepad and confirming where the file will live. This saves time later. Once done, pick a clear file name and include TXT to ensure plain text. Make sure to decide whether you need a different folder like Documents or Desktop so you don't hunt for the file later. You should also check if you need a different extension for formatting. Doing these first steps prevents accidental overwrites and keeps your notes organized. You now enter your content and prepare to save it properly. Once you have text, use File then Save as so you can explicitly set the folder and file name. This avoids overwriting a different file. Make sure to pick encoding, UTF-8 for international characters or ANSI for basic ASCII, because encoding affects how text appears when reopened. Also verify the file extension, and, if necessary, change Save as Type to all files. You finish by clicking Save and checking that Notepad confirms the file was written to the chosen folder. Once saved, quickly open the file to verify contents and formatting. If you updated an existing file, confirm the overwrite prompt to avoid accidental duplication. If you can't find the file, search File Explorer or check recent files. Make sure you save to the folder you thought. If characters look wrong, reopen and resave with UTF-8, encoding to fix garbled text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.